It's just a quick video here to show the demonstration of the bolt catch assembly being fit onto a Marui Sopmod gearbox. Some people want to know about the which way round the parts go, spring, etc. So I'll just quickly show you. Start off with this one here. Then this one. Make sure this bit here goes inside the switch block flat. And you'll see it all held in place in this position. And take your spring. I'll just lay it over like that. Then I like to get the screw. To make sure the bolt catch is working, you can't catch the spring underneath the screw, so be careful when you're tightening it down. And then just move this last bit here into position, and that will put the tension on it. Then make sure it's tight. It needs to be tight against it to hold this close so that there's no up and down movement. Nice and tight. And then just double check that it pings. See? All it takes is just a slight bit of movement, pressure from the when the nozzle goes back, pressure from the magazine, and then it gets caught. And then you'll obviously flick the bolt catch. It's basically doing that. Cool, hope that helps out.